Breaking news coming in. Prime Minister Modi is in landslide hit Wayanad. Prime Minister takes stock of the relief operations. The death toll from the Wayanad landslides has crossed 400 with more than 150 still missing. Rescue operations are underway with teams now focused on the forested regions. The Kerala government has also enlisted the help of the families of the missing and local residents in the search efforts. Rescue operations underway. An elaborate search effort was carried out from Pucherimattam, the point of origin of the landslide, and proceeded through Mundakai and Churalmala. The search continued further to Suchipara waterfalls in Mepari Panchayat and extended to Putukal and Nilambar in Malappuram district. These are visuals you're seeing of Prime Minister Modi taking stock of the rescue and relief operations in the landslide hit areas in Wayanad that have been responsible for over 400 deaths. Over 140 people are still missing in Wayanad, and rescue operations are underway with the teams now focused on the forested regions. The Kerala government has also enlisted the help of the families of the missing and local residents in the search efforts. Shilpa Nair is joining us live on the broadcast. Shilpa, we earlier saw that the Prime Minister conducted an aerial survey and now he's gone on to take stock of the rescue and relief operations. Give us more.
Well, yes, Chetna. In fact, just a short while back, Prime Minister Narendra Modi undertook an aerial survey of the landslide hit areas in Wayanad, and now he's personally visiting these areas. He's gone all the way to Churalmala, which is, of course, one of the worst affected areas in Wayanad because of this landslide. And he, from the visuals, we can see that he's closely interacting with the officials there, the district collector, the Kerala Chief Secretary, and also senior police officials. Union Minister Suresh Gopi is also accompanying him, and he's taking stock of the situation, trying to get an understanding of what exactly transpired on that fateful night when landslide hit Wayanad. So he, of course, saw the origin of the landslide, and according to experts, the debris flow is around 8 kilometers, and now he's at Churalmala, which is the base of that particular region, and he's taking stock of the situation there, getting an understanding, getting a briefing about the extent of devastation that this landslide has caused. He saw that aerially, but now, of course, he's on ground trying to get an understanding of what this landslide, of course, how much it has affected this entire region. So in just a short while from now, the Prime Minister will be going to another relief camp where survivors of this landslide are currently camping. He of course, wants to interact with them and try and understand the kind of, damages they've suffered, because remember, so many people have died in this landslide, and it's not easy for these survivors to carry on with their lives. They've lost everything, their loved ones, their homes and everything. So to extend that, support, to extend that sympathy and the much needed compassion, that of course is also the need of the hour. So he's taken stock of the situation on ground to understand the magnitude of the disaster, and now of course he'll be speaking to some of these survivors to be with them in this hour of grief, in this hour of difficulty, to tell them that the centre is with them and they will do all that it can to extend any support to, so that these people can get back their lives back to normal. So that is the reason why he'll be visiting the relief camp here in Mepadi, and after that he'll also be going to the BIMS hospital where some of the injured are undergoing treatment, and later in the day the Prime Minister is expected to hold a review meeting with the officials, and that of course is going to be very, very important, because remember, the state government and the political parties here in Kerala have been demanding that the central government should declare this a national disaster, and even a leader of opposition and former MP of Wayanad, Rahul Gandhi, even when he spoke in the parliament and also yesterday when he took to social media, he demanded that once Prime Minister sees the situation on ground, hopefully then he'll go on to announce this as a national tragedy. The reason why they're demanding this is because more funds are required to restore and to rehabilitate the people of Wayanad who've been affected by this landslide. It's not going to be an easy task. Thousands of people have been displaced from their homes. They've lost their loved ones. So they need to start from scratch, and they need to be given new homes. They need to be given rehabilitation measures, a package of sorts. So for that reason, more and more funds are extremely important. As an interim measure, the state government had already sought 2,000 crores from the union government, but that is not going to be enough. There could be, more demands placed by the state government. So all of that will be discussed in that review meeting that the Prime Minister will hold in some
Shilpa, we'll come
time
back to you
from
for more
now.
on this. Keep tracking that story.